So good morning from a very fresh and morning here in Langenthal, Switzerland. We're at the Motorex Factory and we're here with the majority of the team. There's 8 of the team, and Frederick, our media guy, has come as well, who did the social posting for us. So it's good to have 9 of us together here at the factory. We're going to have a factory tour, which will be really nice for the guys that have not been here before to check out what goes on here at Motorex.
Back to school. Sit down. So this is the actual blending facility. So this is where the production actually happens. So you see all those different lines, they all come from tanks. So there's main lines for the base oils. And all these different lines, they come from different additive tanks. And then inside, you have the mixing. So this is basically what the production process looks like. Get your move on! Okay, so final thing, got a present for you as well. You brought a present from Africa. A small present for us, for the whole team.
Thank you.
I guess it's gonna be going into your workshop, but
yeah,
it's really should be for the whole team.
Well, we'll have to put it somewhere where the bikes are going to be and everyone's going to come one day.
We'll get it down. That's so cool.
And what we'll do, we won't sign it now, but when they turn up, we should get everyone to sign around the outside of it.
Yeah.